morning, Jerry. How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
Very good. My name is Suzanne Johnston. I'm the president of Niagara Health System. Over a 24-hour period in the hospital, one patient can expect to have an estimated 100 interactions with various members of our team. Nurses, doctors, dietitians, porters, food service workers, physiotherapists, lab techs. We have them all, and then some. You can see why correct patient identification is so critical for a safe care environment. We want to make sure that for every treatment, procedure, or service that we provide here at NHS, that we are absolutely identifying the patient as the right patient. Our new We Check ID Awareness Initiative is a reminder for every member of our team who comes into contact with a patient to ask for 2 patient identifiers. Every patient, 2 times, every time. Easy to remember, 2 times, every time. It is so critical that we engage our patients to verify their name, date of birth, and other identifiers before any treatment or procedure starts. Even when the patient is known to us and we feel confident with what we are doing, remember that we check ID every patient 2 times, every time.